Hey, my name is Phil, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create coupons for courses in GoHighLevel. Now, this is perfect for promotions or sales, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. So what I'm going to do is jump behind the screen and show you how to create them. Okay, so here we are inside of my dashboard. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to your memberships, come to courses and go to products. Make sure you have a course that's ready to add a coupon to. And if you come across to offers, you will see here, we can create different offers for your course. Now, if I click on it right now, you can see the price for this particular course is $297. It's just called example course. And if we have a look what it currently looks like, this is what it looks like, right? Very plain and simple, just for this example. Now we've got this brand new feature here, which is allow checkout to accept coupons. If you go ahead and switch that on and click on save, now if we look at the preview, we now have a little coupon tab, and once the coupon has been added, we can click apply. So it's very cool. So now we need to go ahead and actually create some coupons to use for this course so they can be recognized. So what you want to do is come to payments, then come across to coupons, very simple and easy. Go ahead, click on create coupon. Okay, and we're going to name this coupon. So I'm just going to call this 100 off, right? Maybe I'll keep it in capitals. 100 off, right? Very simple. Coupon type, we have two options. We have percentage or we have a fixed amount. So if you wanted, say, a 50% discount, you could click on percentage, type in 50%. That's going to reduce the final price by 50%. Or if you have a fixed coupon, you can choose the amount of money you want to reduce when they use it. So I'm going to do 100 for this as it matches the coupon name. You always need to add in a start date. So today's date is the 2nd. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Now, if you have a current promotion running, say for 3 days, you can also choose an end date where the coupon expires if you wish. You don't need to have that. You can also add in times for starting and ending as well. All depends on your promotion. And then finally, down the bottom, we have a few additional options. Limit the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed. So if you only want to sell, say 50 places at this price, you can choose that here. This is perfect if you're running a scarcity type of campaign where you say it's only for the first 100 people. This is going to help get those numbers very quickly. Then we have limit the selected products on which the coupon can be applied. So if you only want to add it to specific products, you can do that here as well. So I'm going to click on create. All right. And just in a few seconds, the 100 off campaign has been created. So now if we go back to memberships, if we come back to offers, if we choose our offer here and we go ahead and click on preview, now you will see if we go ahead and type in here 100 off and click apply, the $297 price is now going to go down to $197. So it's super easy to do. In a few minutes, you can create coupons which are going to change the price. You've got all your variables for your sales and promotions, and it's a perfect way to get more sales in your business. So that's it. Within a few minutes, you can add in your own coupons for your courses in GoHighLevel, and you can use those for different types of sales and promotions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.